All right, so your first step, at your lab table, if you have more than one object, you can pick whichever object is most interesting to you, unless you're at the liquid station, in which case you have to do both. Okay? So my people who are at lab stations with more than one object, you can pick which object is most interesting to you. Pull up the lab document and start by making notes. What does your object look like? What does it feel like? What's its approximate size? Record qualitative observations first. Y'all's object, this is a waste maker. These are y'all's substances. So you have liquids.
Is this oil?
Hey, we don't know yet. Hey, we don't know yet, bro.
I don't know.
It looks like it.
Substance one. Rashad, smell it. Smell it.
That is an observation that you're going to need to record whenever
Smell like oil?
your laptop
I don't know
arrives.
what oil is.
That's so true. If y'all have water bottles, go set them back in the classroom. No water bottles in the lab station area. Don't bring your water bottles back to the lab. You good over here? All right. No, it's called density lab. Density lab. Yep. Do we have the density lab doc up?
I am currently
Pulling it up right over here. All right. We have the lab doc up. Perfect. We have the lab doc up over here. You can write it down. Just make sure you have the lab doc up to guide which questions you're answering. I would like for all of you to record this. Alright, we have a lab
This is
doc
like
up.
less normal, I guess. I just have to remember that one. First observation. This is alcohol.
Really now?
Really?
Thank you,
Please
Captain.
do not.
It's like an observation.
Sorry, folks. I already have the document on my
It has a little bit of viscosity, but it's not like water.
Substance one. Yeah, I was.
How are you doing over here? Y'all got the lab doc up? Perfect. Okay.
Wait, how many are on there?
Not shake this one. Just shake the left one. Oh wait. I remember Rashad, right? It's supposed to be right. My hands up.
No, it's just these both. Because we're gonna need to use it. Oh,
That's what I was saying.
Okay, wait. Do it separately.
Yellow is more viscous.
Wait, someone.
I like that word.
Me too. That's a good word. Viscosity? No, do not.
No.
But you can measure the density using mass and volume.
thank you, Mike.
So you can take the volume using these, and you can mass it.
You put the volume.
You gotta
Put
be
it in
able
the
to
thing.
know a known
How
volume.
much?
Yes, it's almost like if you were reading the lab doc, it might give you
careful,
explicit
careful.
Put
instructions.
it like halfway.
Oh my god, stop. Stop at 20, stop at 20. Okay.
Okay, don't set wet stuff back in the lab counter, set it down in the barrel form, please. And let it fall through the hole. Alright, perfect. Alright. How are you doing over here? Do you need to be like around on that side so you can see what's happening, or you good over here? You can. Okay, you're just filling it out right now? Where are we at? Description. I like it. Okay. Do you feel like we know what we're doing?
Pardon?
Do you know what you're doing?
We're trying to gather a lot of quantitative data so that we can then figure out what it is.
Perfect.
It's either a piece of finer sand, right?
Yeah, so for now, getting his laptop to where we're running.
Okay. Perfect. Alright. Y'all could
Can you flip your name tag over really quick?
Okay. Y'all could record like maps or anything up here while you're waiting, or any observations. That way they can just be transferred in.
Got it.
Pretty quickly.
This is not the dream team, bro.
Nah, this is a dream team. Y'all got this. I have faith in you. How are we doing over here? Are we good? Yeah.
But like, we're not. Yeah, this is our first table. Or is it saying this is table 1?
No, it's not. It doesn't matter what order the tables are. It's just for you to remember like how many tables you've gone to.
Okay, thank you.
That's the volume, but then we divide it by the
Why do you have to put him in a depressing mood?
Because he's Patriots, bro. Never mind. We're doing.
Do we have a ruler? Measure the length.
How are you doing over here?
Pretty good. We're measuring. It's 1 centimeter. Wait, it's 1 centimeter. The width? The length? It's 1/16 of an inch, which is 1 centimeter. Oh, they're not centimeters.
There should be some.
These are the centimeters.
If you're finding that the masses are
That's millimeters.
differing at all, you can average the mass also over
This is
several.
inches. Okay.
I forgot. Why are we using the computer for recording everything down in the notebook?
Because you gotta submit
It don't
on
smell
campus.
like nothing.
So you could just scan it if
It
you wanted to,
looks
but
like oil.
Okay.
It looks like oil, but it's
the computer has all of the prompts on it, so that you're not
And
just.
there's only one way to try it.
Bro, Michael.
Yeah, you do it on the
Michael. Bro, everything, all this stuff is on the computer. No, just like, yeah, do that, and then go to Canvas.
There's a
Go to
density
Canvas,
lab
just
doc.
on the Canvas thing.
Yeah,
All the stuff is there.
like all the prompts for all the tables will be on the density lab document. Y'all are like,
Take a little sip.
No.
Okay, let's take. What's the mass of that? 17.9 Celsius.
Yeah.
alright.
Wait. What's the volume? Is it still 20?
Yeah. You measured everything at 20.
When you're done with the beakers, pour them
17.9
into
Celsius over 20.
your samples. How's it going over here? Are we doing qualitative observations right now? Or
Actually, I poured it, boy.
Pi would be the radius. Pi squared. The radius. And then the height. Yeah. So it's
'Kay, how are we doing over here?
Right here, we're already behind.
Okay. Alright, you got it.
determine if traffic is the balance of weights provided for each.
Okay, that's plugged in and delicate.
Sorry. Apologies.
It's okay, it's older than probably all of us.
How is it 2 grams?
Guys, the average mass.
What's 2 grams?
Alright.
It's measured. Are you slow?
Okay.
If it doesn't balance, you can zero it. There you go. Just like that.
Doing all of them and then dividing.
How is that negative? How is it
Yeah, are we
When
doing
you like
let the scales reset.
4.31?
yes, if you see that there's a change
Is it
between them, I want you to
Should
average
have been
them.
at 450.
Stop.
Is it on grams?
Yes, it's on grams.
Okay.
Kilograms.
So 4.2.
Generate so much grams worth of force, and it goes down.
Okay, convert that to kilograms for now.
So,
Me?
okay, this is
That was 1, 2, 3.
I won't.
She wants to keep abusing me. She's so, I don't know what candy or coffee she had earlier.
I'd rather not have to. Don't worry, I got it today.
She'd rather not see violence. No violence of any kind.
No violence of any kind. You do that. How are we doing over here? Are y'all good? Yeah, you're just gonna collect data right now. You'll worry about figuring out what they are later.
We're done with this.
Okay, hold tight because I don't think anyone else is done yet. How are we doing over here?
things that you can
We were struggling to find volume, like what was displacement.
Okay.
Yeah, so we were
how
Susie's talking to y'all about displacement.
we pull up the water to like.
Alright.
I said the yellow one.
Alright, how are we doing over here?
Good, he's just recording all the data we have so far.
Alright, are y'all done taking data for those two substances right now?
Is that it?
You got
tell her
masses
what we
and
have.
volumes for both?
Wait, Rashad, did you write the mass and volumes as well?
Yeah, this is 4 and 5.
The mass?
You put the
I
math.
wrote the mass and volume and the density for everything.
That's perfect.
And
And
then-
you have qualitative observations for both of them also.
Yeah.
Wait, is the volume? Oh, no,
You
no.
said this one smells like alcohol, this one's odorless, this one's more viscous, and this is clear, and the colors are different.
The liquid is also
I think
dense.
that's it, right?
Yeah? Alright.
Now what?
And this one smells like alcohol.
Now can we figure out what is this?
Alright, let me pour this
Y'all will
back.
do that at the once we've done all the stations. You'll go back in class and figure out what it is.
We can pour this back.
Pour it in the waste beakers. Yeah. Perfect. Alright, y'all.
Wait. We can see if it floats. If it's...
Alright. How are we doing over here? Almost done with our... sampling. You don't need to do the conversion or the weight or anything like that yet. All you need to do is take mass and volume while you're over here at these tables. All the math parts you'll do in the classroom once we're done over here.
Do you want me to bring you a tureen?
Wait, what? Why did they get featured? No.
Alright. How are we doing over here?
Oh,
They're
still
grabbing
good.
some water to do the displacement method. Alright, perfect. How are we doing over here?
Pretty good. The height, you have to measure that. Do you have any calipers by chance? Or? I don't think it's really required. It's fine.
If you wanted to walk into the storage closet with you, you're welcome to.
I'll pass, thank you.
So it's gonna be like under.
It's gonna be probably
How do you plan on measuring the height of that?
1.5 millimeters.
That was more astonishing than usual.
If it's some positive number,
I'm not gonna take it.
I would recommend that you hold it next to the ruler. Yeah, there you go. That way you don't have the bottom impacting it.
It's like 0.2.
Alright, are y'all just got mass? You're just calculating volume right now, right?
The dimensions, yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Volume go.
So since it's a cylinder, how do you find the volume of a cylinder?
By R squared.
Yeah. Okay. So you would find the radius, was it height?
Radius
So
and height.
radius, height, so pi r. Yeah. So you would use the formula. I don't know why I'm forgetting the formula, but
That's it.
oh, it is.
We dropped this.
Times height.
Times height. Okay. So you would just like you would basically just find the radius, which is
Okay.
so that's the same, obviously. That's the same either way. So that's your radius, or that's your diameter. So to find the radius. Yeah, it's fire. That's the formula. But you would divide the diameter by 2 to find the radius.
Okay,
So that's
okay,
your
okay.
R. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So the 1.3 divided by 2, that's your R.
Okay.
So then you just do pi r squared times
We have 2 days to do it, right?
No, y'all have 2 days to do it. You also have tomorrow.
This information we got what is it now? We put it on the thing. 2468. Wait. It was colder. Or not.
How are we doing over here? Do y'all have mass and volume for the first one?
No, we were wondering if we're allowed to use this to like fill it.
Yeah, absolutely. Just be really careful. These things probably haven't been turned on in a hot minute. There we go.
Like,
You can fill it to anywhere that's like a known quantity, so just turn it back that way. And you can pour it out a little bit if you need to adjust it. What's up?
Pi calculation might actually be right. Like our calculation.
It's still up. I didn't delete it.
We should see.
Should we try it again? I'll write it down, but do you want to do it again?
Maybe.
Once you have your data like collected, you can wait and do the calculations until after we're back in the classroom. So we want to try to get as much data collected.
Okay, then we're almost done.
Okay.
What is the density?
That's calculation. So do you have mass and volume? Yeah. All right. So y'all are done. All right. How are we doing over here? Just getting the volume.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay.
No, that was us. That was extra.
You got this.
Guys, I just want to put my input on the whiteboard. This is the best thing I've ever done. It was genuinely
Sabrina, why'd you do that?
Okay. So you got it. It's probably gonna be a really small number. You can try adding several marbles and then divide what the volume difference is too if you're unsure. Yeah, like you could add 4 and then divide whatever the volume difference is by 4.
Oh, that makes sense. That's what you're saying about like atoms and stuff. Yeah, so we should probably add.
If you want to. If you think that's not accurate. But if you think that it's just that small value, then you're welcome to just
We have to convert
the milliliters to centimeters?
Yeah.
Milliliters to centimeters cubed is 1 to 1.
Okay.
So you're perfect the way it is. Alright, if y'all are done, make sure that you just reset your station. Alright, since everyone's finished collecting data for right now, make sure you reset your station the way that you found it. If there's wet objects, here's a roll of paper towels. Dry them off or anything wet. Just make sure you reset your station, everything back, balances. Reset. All of the cork hexagons back in the bag. There were many. There were so many. Please put them back in the bag. Thank you. Alright. Okay. If we're ready, we're going to be rotating in a clockwise direction. So y'all are going to go to that table. Y'all are going to come to this table.
Separates or not.
My table right here. Y'all are going to go to that far table over there. Once you've poured everything back. And then this table, y'all are going to be moving over here to this station.
That's all I see rotations.
Alright. Y'all have 2 substances here. This is tables 4 and 5. What you're going to be doing is you'll be using these little beakers to weigh a known volume of these 2 substances. So same thing that you just did over there, but these are liquids. And you can use these funnels to pour the substances from the cups to the little beakers. Does that work? Perfect. Alright. Do you have any questions right now? It's okay if you do. You're just going to be starting, you'll take one of these beakers, dry it out with a paper towel first, and then say like, you're going to pour 20 milliliters out of this, and then you'll tear this with the empty thing, you'll pour 20 mils, and you'll weigh how much 20 mils weighs, and you'll do math. And you'll do that for both substances. You got it. You're going to need to. Yeah. Yep. You got it. Perfect. Before you start, make sure you observe the substances, record any qualitative observations you have. What do they smell? How do they move? What's the color? Things like that. And make sure you can spread out down the table if you need more space. Go for it. Alright, how are we doing over here?
So put like 5 or 10 around.
You can use the weigh boats to help weigh too. Yeah. But make sure you
But first you have to measure this.
Yeah, first you got it. Perfect. Alright.
It's just it depends on the charge they hold internally. That dissipates over time.
Make sure we're recording our qualitative observations.
I feel like that's one of the.
This is not tan, but I have no idea what color it is.
Off-white. Off-white.
Well, what number are we? Well, I think you just Filipino. What concert number? Alright, so material. It's 4.9. I feel like I don't float.
I used to feel that way, but I feel like
Tiny black tube, better than black tube, but barely or like. Yeah. We're not metal. Very
Okay. Now we have to find the weight, which is the kilograms by
a little nervous.
0.
I haven't even finished writing anything on the board, but there's no way they're gonna get the list out. So I'll just
It's like ball.
Yeah, I feel like they'll just like do this.
What station?
It really is.
The table numbers don't matter, they're just for you to be able to keep track of how many you've done. So they're similar. The last two are, this would be 1 or 2, probably. Yeah.
It's a corkscrewed like material. It should float on water, but we're not sure. I feel like it would be slowed by water. Like it's just like eventually it'll stop floating.
Finding the volume of all these things is like my next one.
They're easily drinkable. They're thin. They're weigh 4.9.
You want me to double check?
You're welcome to. That's why I haven't put all of
Because
them.
this one, I think.
It's so low.
Oh, yeah. Well, I feel like
Okay, on the average, it's
just find it the trapezoids. And then just,
No, 4.3. Oh, it's 4.9 right here, bro. Bro, no, I put that here.
So all these are ranked 4.3.
It's 4.3.
Take,
That one's 4.9.
if they're different, just average them to get the most accurate.
4.5.
4.9.
I don't know. How many of them are 4.9?
2 of them are 4.9.
How are you doing over here? Good.
We
We got math, we got volume.
Math or volume? Just say it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
yeah, well, that's okay. If you just, you don't have to find it, like the math of all of them together. You can do a couple or one. You can decide if you feel better.
You also can measure volume by displacement if you do it.
Yeah,
Might be easiest if you measure them in like 5 or 10.
How are we doing over here?
From the other table. Next to you. But they might be using it. It doesn't matter if they're using it. We need to use it too. That was for everyone. That's like the
There's a big
community water.
beaker over here, or you can use the things.
No, it's okay. You're not in the way. Wait, put it over the sink.
Your lab is a success. So you're hoping they're going to get to all the stations today and then do the report stuff tomorrow?
Reducing my expectations. I think they're going to get to 3 stations.
What time is the class then? That clock is not
9:30,
moving.
and you have 20 minutes.
The clock is not moving.
Wait, I like.
Are you all done with the data collection part?
We think we messed up. I don't think we messed up.
You have to do grade.
No, he's it's not explaining.
Yeah, it's because we came back.
Doing everything and they won't let us do
They won't talk to us.
We
What?
are
They won't talk
talking.
to us.
Why don't you collect your own data then and compare it?
They won't even let us see.
Let you see what?
Guys, see it.
You guys are saying
You're taking mass and volume and then you're calculating density.
Okay.
So you can mass it using the balances, and then you can measure the size to calculate the volume.
Yeah, they measured it over there.
Yeah, we got all of that stuff, and now we're just kind of sitting there.
Yeah, they said they messed up in something. I don't know. They said something about the tables.
We actually did the math of our volume.
Yeah, you guys accidentally did
You calculated density wrong?
Okay. I think.
I'm kidding. I'm just
As long as y'all actually feel like you're contributing. Do you feel like-
Honestly, yeah.
Okay, because you can be passing the
Because
laptop
like we
around.
switched positions. So we
Yeah.
he did the last one. I'm doing this.
Wait,
Okay, so then someone else needs to do the next one.
we can have two materials that are like the same reference. Like, so we're gonna use density and use references up there, and two of them can be the same, right?
Possibly.
Can I do
Is that either that or Pinewood? Pinewood 0.3.
How are we doing over here? Have y'all collected your data? We're doing volume displacement.
Okay, so we should, we need a bit more water.
Yeah, the water has to go above the.
Not like 30.
Just keep them in there. You can
Can't keep them in there.
Just drain it all out.
Yeah.
Just drain it all out.
You have to know like how much water you started with. So it would be.
We're also probably gonna need new magnets.
No, we don't.
You can dry them off using paper towels, or you can use dry ones.
We also nurse.
Yeah. Christian, we're not yet to that point.
I mean, we can just all say big number.
My need for big, Andrew, my need for big numbers does not go to this stuff.
Alright, how are we doing over here? Do y'all have all your data collected? And we're just doing calculations? You've done volume, you've done mass.
I think we're on the last.
Yeah, give us just 1 second.
Okay. Go for it. It's 9:10. Yes. Alright. How are we doing over here? Did y'all get your data down that you need for this, both substances for this table? Perfect. Alright.
I don't know, why does alcohol
I don't.
Oh, okay. I thought I was like, I just wasn't thinking.
How are we doing over here? Did y'all collect
We almost got everything.
mass and volume?
How do we find the identity?
That'll be, you'll compare it to known values that are on the board over there. Don't worry about that part yet. That'll be after you collect all your data. Alright, y'all are done here. Alright, y'all are done over here at this table. Did y'all get all the data you needed to collect for this one? Mass and volume? You got it?
1 second, sorry. Yeah, that's about right.
We're good? Y'all are ready to rotate?
We can even calculate density, but we can just do that from the...
Yeah, you can do all the calculations later. Alright, we're good over here. Y'all are completely done over here? Yeah. Alright, perfect. Alright, we're gonna reset our stations and y'all are gonna rotate again, same direction, alright? Make sure everything goes back in the bags. Make sure over here that we poured out our beakers. Perfect. Alright, y'all are ready to rotate to that far table over there. Okay, so y'all are going to be doing the liquids here. You're going to take the beakers, dry them out a little bit first. Mass the beaker empty. Then you're going to pour a known volume of the liquid into the beakers. Record the volume.
Exactly like we're gonna do it tonight.
Okay, does that make sense?
The known volume.
Yeah, so like you would pour up to like the 20 mils mark and record how many mils it is and then record the mass of it. And make sure that you record qualitative observations.
The previous hack will not work because we need to take the beaker off before we fill it. No,
It will work. No, it will work because we just measure how much this weighs.
No, we can't.
And then write that down.
No,
and that
I'm
means
saying,
track.
but with the
indicator on the barbell. I could just put it in and then turn it on, and it didn't count the weight of it.
Yeah. That kind of messes with calibration.
I double tapped it.
Okay. Okay, I would use this one because I don't know what's up with that scale.
But either way, it doesn't matter because we can't use that.
So it's like 29.4, so we have to subtract.
You also can zero it out. Like that. How are we over here?
Hey Michael, Michael. The length is 2.5 centimeters.
Wait, they're
We're
really
getting different masses. Remember, you should
one's like 6 and one's like 8.
I think they're all identical. I'm just checking all of them.
Bro, yeah, we're taking the averages.
Yeah, take the average for masses. How are we doing over here? Just describing it. Alright, I'm glad to see the laptop's rotating hand. I know that might be hard, but I appreciate it.
You actually
How are we doing over here? Just mathing right now? Alright, perfect.
That's nice. It's gonna be the last station of the day.
I think so, yeah. We'll see how long it takes them to try to do one more.
So that should be
Are you trying to get proper linear flow?
Yeah, you won't be able to get it from last week, but
that should be like what? 130?
yeah. If you didn't fully close it, give it a check.
So it's 1.4 milliliters?
It hurt my head.
Should be.
Okay.
Scotland. Guess what?
Oh, did you not get a calorie last year?
Well, last year was volunteer. This year it's still volunteer because Young Life International doesn't have any money. Like,
Average result was 1.3. Marble down. Alright, how's it going with the volume?
Getting the diameter.
Okay, you ready? Remember that you also can do displacement volume.
What do R and D mean?
Those would have been like radius and diameter for this one, but I didn't keep you all in a specific order, so you can just change that to length and width.
Oh,
How are we doing over here? Okay, the same mass.
Yeah. Yeah.
What did it say?
No, I mean like
Good to know.
do they have to fill it up with water first and then add for this one? Rich, you don't have to do water. Yeah, you can just do. Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll take responsibility for that one.
Rich, don't play.
Another group.
How are we doing over here? We're good with data collection?
We're done.
Perfect. Are y'all done with data collection over here? We got mass and volume? Yeah. You're just doing calculations. Y'all got mass and volume over here? Just doing calculations.
we're all done.
You're all done?
I think as long as they're like aligned perfectly, the weight won't really be a big deal.
Not gonna lie.
How bro?
I mean, it's
Alright, y'all taking mass, you're just doing volume now once you're done with this one. Y'all could have someone taking the measurements right now, maybe, so that we can start calculating.
Wait, are we
volume.
only doing 3? Okay. We can do more than that. I don't know. I mean, that's fine.
For the volume for this one, you're gonna need height and size. For that.
It's like,
Lots of luck. How are y'all doing over here? Just getting substance 5?
Yes, we're doing this one.
Okay, perfect.
Hooray! Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Y'all have done like the 2 liquids, and this is your second solid table, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Y'all did the 2 liquids, and this is your second solid table?
Yeah, it's a second solid.
Have y'all done the liquids table yet? No.
What's
No.
final volume?
Wait, is this with liquid or no?
No, it's over here.
Wait, do you use water for this?
Oh yeah, you can. If you
measure
want
it.
to check it, then you can use the water.
Why is there 2? Don't you only do 1?
You can do 2 and just average it.
That went up. 49.4. It went up by 1.
Y'all have done 3 of like the solid tables and not done this. Are y'all done with data collection over here? Yeah. Perfect. Y'all are still working on data collection over here, right? Just getting volume? Have you measured?
5.8 and then times.
People have said it's like 0.2 or 0.3 of a centimeter. Okay, perfect. All right, y'all, reset your labs. We're gonna do our last rotation. It's going to be the identity based on the reference. It's listed. Y'all can do that tomorrow. It doesn't need to be finished this. Okay. Y'all's group and y'all's group over here, you're both going to come do this liquid lab. So everybody moving over to this table. Bring the laptop. Everybody do it together. Teamwork makes the dream work. Let's go. Perfect. Alright, for this one, you have 2 substances and there's 2 groups, so one group can do one substance and one group can do the other substance. You also have 2 balances, so just split up on sides of the table. This can be one substance.
And it's not like oil.
We're on the wrong side of the table.
You're going to take a beaker, measure the mass of the beaker, and then pour a known volume of the substance into the beaker and measure the mass of that volume.
Is that just rubbing alcohol?
That's for you to find out.
Yes, it's rubbing alcohol.
Record your qualitative observations. Make a hypothesis.
Anyway, put it on there.
How are we doing over here?
We just started.
We just started.
Perfect. Is it on?
Yeah, it's counting.
Why is it taking its time?
4.3. Oh, it just changed.
It's a little late. You will probably have to average these. Alright, how are we doing over here? Feeling good? Alright.
Add them all. It's the average. You have to find the average. This 50 just straight. Penny is government.
Until they're done.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you're just
Then I'm rotating. So
because then if they don't get to all of them, it's like
I figure we can do it. They can do it tomorrow. But this is all of them. So they've got conversation.
oh, awesome. I just didn't know your strategy behind it. Yeah. It's the last station. Oh wow.
Which is good because we
And
only
then
have
are there 2 groups here?
Yeah. Because it's like tables 4 and 5.
I think we should have a volleyball and douse and rubbing alcohol that we light on fire.
No.
Okay.
No, I don't think we should actually. I don't think we should. As enticing as that sounds. How are y'all doing over here?
Yeah.
You got it?
More or less.
Volume and mass. When y'all finish, you're just going to switch substances across the table, okay? This is our waste beaker, so when you're done with the sample, you'll pour it back.
Oh,
There's so many different types of alcohol.
It's just rubbing alcohol.
What kind of alcohol is that?
Actually, I mean, that's pretty easy information to find.
Is it pure or is it diluted? What's the percent dilution? These are things that matter.
Here, I saw floating particulate.
Well, that, who knows what that is. Alright,
I
if
don't
y'all are
think I
done,
really know what that is.
if y'all are done with the volume and mass, we're going to switch substances. When you're done.
We're pouring this in there.
Yes.
Or you're using the sink. Whatever works. Please don't pour water.
Just go up to like.
I go to 10.
Go to 20.
If you need to pour some out, that's easier than.
Yeah, just pour it. Let me.
How are we doing over here? We got mass and now we're taking volume?
Yeah.
Perfect. How are we doing over here? We got mass and now we're taking volume?
Yes, now we need to take the volume.
These things traumatize me in geometry. Hexagonal prisms. I hate them. Sine, cosine.
Almost just a hexagon.
I know. Okay, this one's fine because I can measure it. But in those problems where they give you just the side length of one of the triangles, and then you have to use sine and cosine to find the others, and then you have to plug that into the formula of the hexagon, and then you have to multiply that by the height.
This should be regular. You should only need a side and a height. It's like hyperbolic. Hopefully.
But still.
I'm sorry. Alright, how are we doing over here?
This table 5.
This is table 4 and 5. So substance 4, substance 5. Make sure you get both while you're here. If you finish the first for substance 5, make sure you take substance 4 also.
Okay. Go Cassie.
Go rapidly. Or you can trade data. I don't mind. Either way. Whatever's fastest.
Yeah, wait, Andrew.
Just exchange information.
Yes, just exchange information.
I get 40. Nice.
Alright, how are we doing over here? We got mass, we got volume?
I'm gonna figure it out right now.
We got volume right now? We got mass and volume over here, we got mass and volume over here. Alright, if y'all are done,
No.
data collection? We are not. We're not. Okay. It's just so close to the class. When you're done, can you just clean up, put the stuff back in the bag, and then you can head to the classroom.
23, okay.
If y'all are done collecting data, you can bag all your stuff up and head back into the classroom. If y'all are done collecting data, put all your stuff back in the bag and head back in the classroom.
Classroom?
Yep, classroom. You can leave the lab stuff here.
Okay, we're done.
If y'all are done, just make sure you pour your samples in the waste beaker for me, and then you can go back into the classroom.
Do you guys have the weight?
Save us the map.
Wait, I'm gonna go food thing. Look at my sugar. Are we done?
About 4 minutes remaining.
Yeah, I've told them all to head back to the classroom.
Oh my goodness.
Let's go back.
Math, 36.38.
Kilograms 0.036.
I don't need that. I need volume.
Volume?
Yeah. Ooh, la.
50.
Thanks.
How much was your volume?
10.
Look at that.
Okay.
Alright. Whenever y'all are ready, you can pack up, take your stuff back to the classroom.
Thank you, Andrew.
Take him out. Oh, yeah.
No, y'all should have had 3 like solid tables and 2 liquid tables. 1, 2. Yeah, it's on the same one, but substance 4 and substance 5.
Okay, let's go. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Alright. Oh wait. Let me not confuse this thing.
Georgia, South Carolina, and Florida. You have to come to Miami to get your visa. To study in Spain.
It's ridiculous.
It is ridiculous.
I'm gonna have to figure out that because I need a visa now for stuff.
I don't
How much
know.
is a visa though? I'm like stressed.
It's like